Since the killing of Kennedy on the 6th of April 2024, we have faced setback after setback from the police and CPS. We were told Tape would face a murder charge, but after psychiatric assessments carried out months later, the CPS accepted a plea of manslaughter on the grounds of diminished responsibility. They did not consult us. They dismissed our evidence of his jealousy, coercion and control. They chose not to challenge psychiatrists who presented a narrow version of events. This case was decided by psychiatrists as a judge and jury. How can this be?
About 40 of Miss Westcar Sabaroch's loved ones sat in the well of the court at the Inner London Crown Court on Monday as Tape was sentenced, with some walking out when statements by members of the defendant's family were read by the defence, describing him as a loving person before his mental health deteriorated. The defendant, Gugua Lewis Tape, was originally accused of murder, but a guilty plea to manslaughter by reason of diminished responsibility was accepted by prosecutors. Tape was found guilty of strangling 25-year-old Kennedy Westcar Sabaroch in Hackney in April of last year. He then proceeded to drive her body around before then confessing to his brother hours later that he had killed her. He was detained under the Mental Health Act on Monday.
They accepted a narrative that served only the defence. And now my daughter's killer, a diagnosed schizophrenic who brutally murdered her, is not only spared prison, but continues to fight us in the family court for parental rights, because Jade's law, promised in 2024, still has not been enacted. How is this acceptable? My daughter Kennedy was my best friend, my joy, the beacon of light in our family.